Hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm working as a trainer there. So one of our students got placed in a company, so she's going to share her experience.
Hi, my name is Sanjeevini. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I joined the PySpiders in the month of June. I took Python full stack testing course. Python was taught by Keshav sir, and Selenium was taught by Lakshmi Prasad sir, and manual testing was taught by Pradeep sir and Gautam sir, and SQL was taught by Avinash sir, and took.
So which are all the other activities help you to crack your interview?
Doing bootcamp is to help to crack my interview. We will do presentation for every day, so that help to crack my interview mainly. And before going to interview, trainers will give a grooming class that also help me to crack the interviews. And every month they will conduct mock interviews. That is mainly help to crack my interview.
So congratulations. Thank you.